Hello students, welcome to your Kundu tutorial. So how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to start a new chapter that is from your biology section. Basically it is coming from the physiology section. This is the heart. What is this? This is the heart. Okay. So today we are going to start the cardiological system or cardiovascular system, and let's see whatever the topics we are going to cover from this chapter. These are the topics actually whatever we can able to tell after the last of this chapter. Okay. So what is this? Let's see. These are the location of the heart. We will be talking about the location of the heart as well as the detailed structure of the heart. We will be talking about what are the heart structure. Okay, identify the chambers of the heart. How many chambers do we have inside our heart? That is, we need to talk. Basically we have 4 chambers inside our heart. What are their role and basically what is their function, and as well as the structure we will be talking about. Let's see the fourth point, define the function of the heart. Obviously whenever we are talking about the whole structure of the heart, then also we need to talk about what are the heart chamber as well as the pumping of the blood. Okay, know that the heart is known as the pumping system. Okay, so how it is going to circulate all the blood to throughout the whole body, that is we need to talk here the function of the heart. Okay, next point, it will be function of the valves. Okay, valves means actually the door like structure which is present between the two type of the chamber. It can be left atrium, left ventricle, then right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, so between these two chamber, what are the door like structure which is preventing the backflow of the blood, that is we need to talk about. This is under the functions of the valves. Okay, next we will be talking about the conduction system of the heart. Conduction system is how the heart pressure or the blood pressure it is going to maintain with the help of the blood or with the help of the artery, vein or the blood vessels, and as well as our pump system, that is the heart. These all topics we are going to cover by this chapter, that is the cardiological system, and this system it is there in case of the 10th syllabus as well as in case of the 11th syllabus also. These two chapter or this topic if you have covered, then I am sure you can crack the NEET examination also, and whatever in case of the competitive exam it is going to come from this heart, I hope you can guess the all answer. Okay, so this is we need to talk video about. We are going to start basically the heart structure and the function as well as the chamber system. Okay, so hope all of you have understood whatever we are going to start from this heart chapter or the heart analogy. This is only from my side, and from the next day or from the next video we are going to start as a topic by topic. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your classmate and all, and press the like button so that I can also get motivation from you. Okay, and any problem from the any topic if you have, please comment in the comment section so that I can get also your information whatever you are asking for the discussion purpose. Okay students, bye everyone, take care all of you, have a nice day.